In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom report view in Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or new to the platform, understanding how to tailor your reports can make a world of difference when it comes to interpreting your business data. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Shopify and hit Enter. Be sure to click on the official Shopify link, which should take you straight to the Shopify homepage. Here, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your credentials and access your Shopify account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify admin page. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page if it's new to you. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a navigation bar. From this menu, click on Analytics, and a sub-menu will appear. You'll want to select Reports from this list. This section houses all your Shopify reports, giving you insight into different aspects of your business. Now, within the Reports section, you'll see a list of default reports. Scroll through these and select the one you'd like to modify to create your custom view. This is where the magic begins, as modifying these reports helps tailor your insights to match your specific business needs. Once you have selected a report, you'll notice a configuration panel. This is where you can add or remove different metrics, dimensions, and filters. Metrics are the data points you're tracking, such as sales or traffic, while dimensions determine how your metrics are broken down, whether by date, product, or another factor. Filters can be applied to narrow down the data even further, focusing only on what's most relevant to your goals. For those looking to delve a bit deeper, Shopify offers an advanced customization feature through Shopify QL queries. Writing your own queries in the query editor allows you to pull highly specific data, perfect for the data enthusiasts out there looking to extract every possible insight from their reports. Next, head over to the Visualization menu. This is the fun part, where you decide how your data will be presented. Whether you prefer a bar chart for a straightforward comparison or a donut chart for a more visually appealing overview, this step helps in visualizing your data in a way that makes the most sense for you and your team. After perfecting your custom report, the final step is to save it. At the top of the page, click on Save As or Save Copy. Enter a descriptive name for your new report, one that's easy to recall later, and hit Save. And there you have it. You've just created a custom report view in Shopify. With each modification, you become better equipped to understand and act on your business data. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Happy reporting.